So you can see I have made a little sample, and I'm gonna show you maybe on a one stone example how to do it in the easier way. As you can see, the stones are quite large that I'm using. They are 2.5 millimeters. That's not usual for flash setting, but you know, they do work and they look really nice. On purpose, I didn't cut the shape out because I want to have a little bit more metal to hold on to my piece. It's not always possible, but in this case, I think it works really well. So using the round burr, I'm gonna open up the seat for the stone. As you can see, I pre-drilled the holes already. So we'll go straight to the setting. I'm gonna have one stone ready, and I'll keep checking the depth of the seat and the size. Okay, I can see that the stone fits in, but I would like to check it from this way. It is still quite high above the surface of the metal, so I would like to drop it down a little bit more. Half of the success of flash setting is to have the stone on the right depth. We don't want it to be too low or too high. So in this case, I'm just going to do a few more drillings to drop it a little bit lower. Okay, so you can see now it's almost level with the surface. We'll make sure it's nice and flat. And what I like to do, I like to press the stone. If you have a metal pusher, flat metal pusher, you can do it with that, or you can use it with a wooden stick, just to sort of fix the stone slightly. And now we have, as you can see, we have like a nice and sharp edge here. And what we'll do with the burnisher of any sort what you have, we're gonna push that metal down and spread it around the stone. I'm doing it under about 45-degree angle, and as you can see, we already have nice and shiny edge. Partially it's because my tool is nice and shiny, so it does make a difference. So first round, you go very slowly, in a very controlled way. Okay, on this side I have taken too much metal off, so I need to be quite careful about it. And now I move my burnisher a little bit up because I want to press that metal against the stone, because that's what's going to hold it in. Make sure that the tip of your tool is not exactly like a needle point, because it will damage the stone. It has to be a little bit rounded off. And then you can spread the metal over the edge of the stone. So now we can check if the stone is set securely. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and push it from the back. It seems fine, and so we can proceed with other stones. And that is how you do a flash setting.